Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go over the information we have in the problem. A grocery store has two recycling machines outside. The first recycling machine took in 240 plastic bottles and 180 metal cans. The second took in 30% more plastic bottles, but 10% less metal cans. The second machine recycled what percentage more items than the first? We have to round our answer to the nearest percentage. Okay, let P stands for, let's assume that P stands for plastic bottles and M stands for metal cans. Here, first machine and second machine. Okay, here the question says the first recycling machine took in 240 plastic bottles and 180 metal cans. The other information says the second took in 30% more plastic bottles. That is, the second machine has taken 30% more plastic bottles than the first one. Already we know that the first machine has taken 240 plastic bottles. So to know 30% more plastic bottles, we have to add 30 to 100% of the number of plastic bottles was taken by the first machine. That is 240. So the result of this expression gives us the number of plastic bottles was taken by the second machine. So 100 plus 30 will be 130%. So 130% can be written as a decimal. But first we can write 130% as a fraction by taking 100 as a denominator because it's a percentage. So when I convert this one to decimal, it will be 1.3. So 1.3 and OF of can be translated as multiplication times 240. So when I multiply 1.3 and 240, I'm getting 312. So the number of plastic bottles taken by the second machine is 312. Okay, now we have to find the number of metal cans taken by the second machine. Already we know that the number of metal cans taken by the first machine is 180, but the second machine has taken 10% less. So that means we have to subtract 10 from 100% of the number of metal cans was taken by the first machine, it is 180. So this expression gives the number of metal cans was taken by the second machine. So 100 minus 10 will be 90%. So if I convert this 90% decimal, first I will write this one as a fraction, that is 90 over 100, then it will become 0.9. So 0.9 times 180. So when I multiply 0.9 and 180, it will be 162. So the number of metal cans was taken by the second machine is 162. Okay, now let's find the total for each machine. Okay, the total number of items was taken by the first machine. So we have to add the number of plastic cans and number of metal cans. Number of plastic bottles plus number of metal cans. So 240 plus 180 will be 420. And to know the total number of items was taken by the second machine, we have to add the number of plastic bottles and number of metal cans. So when I add 312 and 162, so it will be 474. So when I look at the total of the first machine and second machine, so clearly the second machine has recycled more items than the first machine. So how many items the second machine has recycled? How many more items the second machine has recycled than the first machine? So just have to find the difference between these two values. That is 54. So that is 474 negative 420 will be 54. So the second machine has recycled 54 more items than the first machine. But we have to find this one as a percentage. So first we have to write the actual increase. We have to write the number of increase in number of items in numerator by the starting value, which is 420 times 100. So to convert this increase as percentage, I have to write the actual increase in numerator, the starting value in denominator times 100%. So it's a calculator section. So if I use calculator, I'll be getting 12.85. It keeps going percentage. So, but the question targets the nearest to the nearest percentage. So the nearest percent, if I round this value to the nearest whole number, it will be 13. So the correct answer choice for this question is option C, 13%.